Bani dzi blind nanti itwa ngari evanhu vangani va nga fika katsonga hip hop va kuma Mthimbani dyi ri kona va tlhe va heta va nyamalala ti sala ta ri kona itwa ngari vanhu vangani kana anda ku hembela Mthimbani dyi blind nanti di blind I think like more than 10 years ka dyi ri ku rapping. It's been decade. Yeah, it's been a decade I can't rapping. Otherwise va yingiseri na va support va yingiseri na va rhandzi va Gaza reactors ni mbiyele na yin'wanyana video Mthimbani featuring Mellow I officially track mara ntwa nga ri va yiza lavo va la ku susana munyu va la ku freestyle va yiza lavona so na ku va ganya na platform mavo for 2 minutes hi twa ku ri va khome yini and then ya reacta ka yona video leyiwani. Otherwise u nga rivali ku subscribe ka channel ya Gaza reactors u like a video leyiwani and then u famba u ya streama music wa Mthimbani ka Spotify, iTunes, YouTube and then u follow Mthimbani ka Facebook u make sure hi sweswo swin'wana ka sweswo nga swi hlaya xin'we at least na kombela no kombela sweswiwani na kombela at least famba yingisela track ya wani ya Mthimbani or something na kombela otherwise reaction video leyiwani ne a yi ngenini ka yona ni balabule fast vele ani balabula fast mi byela ka ti comment if ani balabula fast and then ni ta zama ku hunguta cause ntwa nga ri ni balabula fast and then loko ni balabula slow na kona ntwa nga ri na bora but either way hinkwaswo swi right ku na xa rongo kumele okay all right
nga kulavisa ngopfu hi nga dlayisa ku repa na xapa
twa nga ri nga endlanyana swin'wana ka yona
kula ku susaniwana kanti itwa nga ri engendla swin'wanyana ka yo wanga kula ku susaniwana Nkanu so okay ai va gay chance
nga kulavisa ngopfu hi nga dlayisa ku repa na xapa
twa nga ri nga endlanyana swin'wana ka yona
wanga wina Nkanu all right ai twa ku khome yini Mellow
mrepa wena
fana mrepa
repa vitu
my life is cinematic, and I know they always staring and putting up with niggas who ain't really about the action. I thought I told you niggas that I'm not a noob played with. I put on for the game like I came up with the settings. If it's lyrical, it's biblical. The niggas think it's fictional. And building no characters, these are stories of a solid one. Glory to the underdogs and rest in peace to those we lost. Pictures on the walls, I know your spirits are with us. Can you hear me from the side? Can you tell me what it's like? Is your body modified? Can a nigga really fly? You probably floating on the sky like they did on Flatline. Unfortunate, the end of time was very near on your side. I don't mean to sound cliche, but then that is part of life. I started documenting mine the day I wrote my first song. So I'ma live forever through these music platforms. I bet the day a nigga down, my son gon' play my catalog.
What? Nigga, he's too clean. He's too clean. Damn. Engaku xiza lexo xi rapa ngaku a xi lo tshama a jele like 5 years so ku ri hava vanhu ku ri hava chumu xi tshame na buku na xitsalo khe xi tsala ti-rhyme ntsena mara ti-rhyme ta xona ti clean word for word man guy lexiwaye Mellow first time in try short ta fane hi xilango.
Unfortunate, the end of time was very near on your side. I don't mean to sound cliche, but then that is part of life. I started documenting mine the day I wrote my first song. So I'ma live forever through these music platforms. I bet the day a nigga down, my son gon' play my catalog. Please don't let him send me off with another nigga song. Play your favorite songs by myself while I slowly drop. Pour the Henny down and lift it up and tell him this for pops. Before a nigga die, just tell him that I was going hard.
Yo, here before go for me is muzeleni ku ri daman xi blind. I blind info. Mellow if we wanna video le blind info or blind. And connect as is kuna mareba modala mareba ku English. Marobegele info. Competition ya wetela marobegele.
Play your favorite songs by myself while I slowly drop. Pour the Henny down and lift it up and tell him this for pops. Before a nigga die, just tell him that I was going hard.
Damn.
okay
Damn.
Wow. I'm just in mara ndzi bya
vutomi byi ra ku hayikiwi famba hi milenge it's abomination vekiwe nawe just
Thomas hayikiwi yini ifamba abomination
mara ndzi bya
vutomi byi ra ku hayikiwi famba hi milenge it's abomination vekiwe nawe just like a taxi association appropriation kinda feel like I won't be free amboni yisaka counseling still I won't be me with a specific if you chill with me be real with me swiku swa hluphanyana to deal with me nina ti-anger issues disease ya rejection ku kala rirhandzu ra mani swi ni vangele depression still trying to figure who gave birth to me from the family hinkwayo who came back to me no one vutomi i nyimpi ni nge survive with no gun in this evil world I talk about guns now how can I raise a little girl i xitori xin'we so my music is trash now plus ni broke bantwana va yi voni cash cow on my knees ka Jehovah and do my best bow and I know ku swi ta va worse if I just give up plus masocha ya miri man they can't keep up
damn man xi roast xiza lexiwani xi ri I knew ku swi ta va worse if I give up if u give up ku ha ri hava proof yo u lwini vayizi va hlangana na swilo evuton'wini
lowu hlakanini wu buwe ngopfu hi swa misava na foxolo ni nge tlakuli wa ta braswa ni vava swivati everywhere hambi tattoo ni nge drowi na vona ni tshike xikolo hambi future yi nge glowi